Discuss na. Oh, ba? 4 minutes, 5 laki ah. Ano? Nakapakan.
Alwin versus Nanya.
Okay, first quarter of the game between Nanya and Alwin. Kayo lang usapan na pag-usap dyan, ha? Highway, Sumalpong, attempt. Yes, goal for 2, number 6. Nanya, number 21, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 8, dribbling.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Still, Nanya, dribbling the ball. Attempt, Hugo, rebound ng Nanya. Yes, good for 2 points. Kanya, Highway pala yun. Sorry, nakulit ko yung katabi ko.
Dapat ng eraser.
Nanya, pass to Pino. Hugo, rebound by number 6 of Highway. For 3, yes, good for 3 Highway. Score, 7. Again 0. Nanya, yes, good. Highway dribbling the ball. Number 16. Looking for a score failure. Pass to Sumalpong, number 6. Highway, yes, good for 2 points. Highway. Number 34 of Highway. Score. Oh, shout out dyan kay Magtuloy. Halika dito. Number 10, Nanya, attempt. For 3, no good. Rebound, Highway, number 10. Pass to number 34. Pass to number 16. Number 16, dribbling. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Attempt. No good. Rebound, number 10 of Nanya. Number 21, Villafuerte. Attempt. Ang bigat. Score 9 against 0. 34 to number 8, to number 6. Attempt. No good. Rebound by Nanya. Oh, first ball. Foul number 11 of Nanya. 40 seconds. Number 6, number 16. 16, dribbling the ball. Take the shoot. Number 34. Yes, goal for 2. Number 34.
Down.
Matanda na ang score. Nanya, attempt. Dugod. Rebound naman titiwala ng Nanya. Attempt. Dugod again. Number 16. Highway. Dribbling the ball. 16, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 34. 34 to number 6. Number 6. Yes, goal for 2, number 6.
Time out mamaya pag doon.
Number 21. Nanya. Pass to Companion. Number 8. Number 8. Steal. Steal with Taiwan. Number 6. To number 16. 16. Taking the ball. 10 to shoot. Attempt. No good. Open save the ball number 24. To number 16.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. 16 attempt. No good. Rebound by number 2, Ugnania.
4 minutes.
Remaining time, 4 minutes. Number 10, attempt. No good again. Offensive rebound by number 4, number 51 to number 8 to number 11. There's a call. 3 seconds
Lalam ko mga
Basir,
bataan.
basir. Basir, Amir. Bakit tandan? Basir. Basir, basir.
Basir.
Back to the movement. May lakas ang replay. Number 34, attempt. Yes, good for 2, number 34. To Astadio. Astadio number 20. To Tunyao. There's a ball. Foul. Number 34.
Awang kami sa pantay niya rin.
Astadio. Number 3. Logo. There's a ball.
Wag na! Patay tayo para hindi.
11. Tunyao.
Fight!
Dito. Astadio. Astadio to number 35. Yes. Subalto, the number 34, attempt for 3. Yes, good for 3. Number 24. Kubi
Yan,
Brian.
yan. Yan na.
William Forte, passing to number 2. Number 2. Yes, number 2.
2 minutes, 50 seconds.
Remaining time, 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 6, dribbling. Attempt, there's a goal.
Patay kayo, dyan na si manager. Buti ko kayo manager.
Last draw. No good again. Rebound number 20. Ascanio, passing to number 8. Still number 8. Pass to number 34. 34 drive. There's a goal.
Natakbo eh.
Nakaharap pa sa mukha mo.
First throw. Yes, good for 1 point.
225.
Remaining time, 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Last throw. Yes, good for 1 point again. Number 34. Star quickly against four. Ascanio. Pass to number 55. 55 to 51. 51. Drive. Pass to number 55. Attempt. Hugo. Number 6. Sumalpo. Lost to 21. 21 to number 25. Attempt. Yes. Good.
Puta, si Paul lang ang nakakashot ah.
Sumalpo, dribbling the ball. The 6, there's a steal. Steal by number 21. 21, Lucas. Ball number 6. Number 6, pass to number 16. 16, dribbling the ball. Shot. 10 to shoot. To 24, attack. Lucas, ball number 6. Number 6, there's a ball.
Oras. 117.
Remaining time, 1 minute and 17 seconds. First throw. No goal. Yes, good for 1 point, Sumalpo. 21. Villafuerte. 11. Pass to number 16. 16. Tito shoot. 16 attack. Lugot. Rebound by Tumiao. To Ascanio. To Villaporte. Villaporte. Yes, ako. Traveling violation.
Manager. Dali kayo, manager.
24.
Dali kayo, manager.
To number 6. Pass to number 8. Attack. Lugot. It's a rebound. Yes, good for 2. Number 34.
35.
35 seconds. Ascanio. To 11. To Ascanio. Yes. 22 seconds.
Last shot.
19.
Bilang, wala na shot. Last shot. Last shot. Bilang.
Attempt. Lugot. 5 seconds. Villaporte. Ascanio.
Baser.
Score. 23-9.
Score 9 against 23. 14-point lead by Highway.
Bigyan mo kami ng mga...
Sakit sa lalamunan. Baka naman.
Walang sa lugaw.
Number 2. Number 2. Steve. Pass to number 54. 54. Attempt. No call. 55. 50.
Okay, isa tayo.
55. Attempt. No call. Number 6. Pass to big.
Wala na.
Great. To number 6. Yes. Good for 2. Number 6. Number 5, giving the ball. Number 5, pass to number 50. To number 2.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Ascanio, attack. Lugot. Rebound number 16.
Lamang tayo.
Number 6 for 8 of Highway. There's a ball.
Lang yata sa sermon manager ah.
Lugot, first two. Yes, good for 1, number 8. Kung ano ibibigyan mo.
Dapat sa ilalim kasi si ano eh. Si Tony J eh. Di pa umer.
To number 8. Winning the ball. Pass to number 16.
Anim ang kalaban eh. Tambak pa.
Winning the ball.
Anim lang yan.
Steve.
Uy!
3 seconds.
Winning number 6 of Highway. To number 17. Nakuha ni number 8. 10 to shoot. 24, attack. Lugot. Rebound number 6.
24 ng highway.
Technical, ikaw.
There's a technical violation.
Number 17.
Number 17 of Highway. For Riri.
Ikaw.
Riri is 2 free throw plus ball position.
Gagano mo lang oh.
16. To number 8. To number 24. Attempt. Lugot. Rebound number 20. Ascanio. dribbling, pass to number 2. To number 1.
5:20.
Remaining time, 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 6 to number 8, attempt. No good.
Reserve timeout. Boss, reserve timeout kami. Reserve timeout. Reserve timeout. Reserve timeout.
Laki ah. Kapangan. Yung litson!
May lunch kayo.
May bayad pala yun? Oh, yun na.
Back to the ball game.
Yan. Nice, Tor. Hahabol mo lang yung may bola. Habulin mo lang yung may bola.
Malalakas. Matangkad. 7 player lang.
Number 16. Pass to number 17. 17. Looking to number 8. Number 8. Dribbling. To number 6. Number 6. There's a call. Acting foul. Number 12.
Ano yan? Ayuda kayo ni manager. Ayuda na yung manager yan. Saan? Kanan niya?
Manager, maraming salamat po sa ayudang binigay nyo. Buti pa kayo.
Bibiling pa lang ako business.
Yes, good for 1. Number 6. Second throw.
Di ba ang pangalan mo dito, Kim? Remorin?
No good. Rebound by number 5. Ano niya? Dribbling. Number 5. Nakuha ni number 16. 16 to number 12. Yes.
Kim, ano number mo? Ay,
27 naging 16. 11 point lead. Sumalpong to number 16. To number 17. 17. Aten. Ano yun? Matay ang utiki.
358.
Remaining time. 3 minutes. Number 2. Yes.
Abul na.
Number 6. Number 24. Aten. No goal. Rebound number 12. To number 16. 16 to number 9. Nakuha ni number 5. No goal. Continue to number 20. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Bakonti.
Start. Number 5. Aten. Number 20. To number 5. Number 5. Hey! Number 11. Still number 6.
Sige na, saga!
16 to number 24. Yes, good for 2 points. Number 24. Number 5. Danya. Dribbling the ball. Number 5 to number 50. And then pass to 5 seconds.
Sub. Yun lang. Resort lang, resort.
Number 20 to number 5. Take the shoot. To number 10.
Foul, may foul.
Shot clock na, wala.
Number 16. To number 15. To number 5. Take the shoot. No good. There's a foul. Foul number 11. Acting foul. Tulyao. Pass to 54, back to number 6, pass tayo ilalim. Nang ibabaw. Lagyan mo. 22 seconds. Number 50. Dribbling the ball. And then, push. Dribbling the ball. There's our goal. Bangon! Number 11. Pass to number 16. 16. Let's pass 2 minutes. 34. Tumira. Lugod. On number 16. Pass to number 5.
Sige, bawi. Kapesa, bawi.
11. First goal. Yes. Goal for one, number 11. Yes. Goal for one again. Tulyao. 34. Dribbling the ball. Attempt. Pass to number 24. Attempt. Yes. Walang katao-tao. Ascanio. Dribbling the ball. Full. Pass to number 5. Attempt. Remaining time, 1 minute and 20 seconds. 34. Attempt. 34.
Yung ano nyo, yung...
Symbol.
Sabihin mo yung mga...
Tandaan lang ha, pasok pa. 10 to shoot. Number 6, attempt. Lugod. Rebound number 16. Nakuha ni Ascanio. Ascanio. Pass to number 5. Lugod. Number 6. Dribbling the ball. Attempt. Lugod. Rebound number 6. Yes.
50 seconds.
Good for 2 number 2.
50 seconds.
Remaining time 50 seconds. Third personal foul, number 11, Tulyao. Warning for to number 5. Number 5. Number 16.
40 seconds.
40 seconds. Number 16. 17.
25. 25 seconds.
25 seconds. Ascanio. Play up. Yes. Last 15 seconds. 17.
Lapit bola, lapit!
Steve. Number 16.
Lapit bola, kuha!
Aten.
Lapit kayo!
Tulyao. Aten.
Wala nang oras!
Good pass.
Tayo, second half.
Number 20. Lugod. Ball number 12. Yes. Good for 2 number 12.
Camero. Number 5. Ten to shoot.
10 to shoot. Number 16. To number 12. Number 6. To shoot. Number 16.
Jim, tira mo Jim, libre ka eh.
Ope.
Tira mo Jim, libre ka.
6:36. Remaining time. Tulyaw. Attempt. Yes.
Nakachamba.
Tulyaw. Score 37 against 31. 6.3. 16. Yes.
Lambot.
Number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 20. Tito shot. Attempt. No good. Rebound by there's a goal. Foul number 44 seconds. Very limit. Tulyaw. Attempt. There's a foul. There's a foul. First two. No good.
Dapat na ng pinag-technical mo. Kasi hindi na makakarinig.
Anong number mo?
Lastro, number 11. No good again.
Yung highway natin. Ha? Yung highway natin number 5. Ay, siya. Tapos may technical tayo.
There's a technical. Highway not wearing same uniform. Number 5 by number 20. Shorts number 5 up number 20.
Balik ka rin yung isa. Short mo.
Hindi, okay na. May technical na naman eh.
Kasi parehas yung jersey.
Dapat sinabi na. Sa ano yan? Sa rules natin.
Nasa rules kasi yan.
Dalawang free throw.
Break ko, number 15.
Yes. 1 point. 20.
Lon. Sige na,
Yes,
pasok na.
good
Labas na.
point.
Okay na yan.
Score! 39 against 35. 4.3. Highway. To number 6. To number 20. Layup! Score 39 all. First Lucas. 54. Yes,
Ay, baba kayo agad, Kim. Baba na, Kim. Baba na.
On the way na, on the way.
Diretso mo na.
Nice one.
Apat na naman. Kahabol nga eh.
29 seconds.
Bumawi. Dalawa lang, dalawa.
Time out.
All 41.
Wala si paring Philip.
Amiro. Pass to Rus. Pass to Amiro. Ayan na, naglaro. Pass to Tulcao.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Pass to Rus. Tumira ng 3. Hop. Double foul. Double foul po tayo.
Foul po liyaw. Foul. 11. Foul.
Yaw,
Tulcao, 4 personal foul.
Kortin seconds ha. Kortin seconds. Sige na naman. 10 to shoot.
2 minutes and 50 seconds. Ayun na! Kas! Baba! Sige lang! Seconds. Tulyao pa. Pasto Ascanio. Ayan na. Amiro, tumira ng 3. Uwan ni Samson, tumira. Wala pa rin. One minute and 15 seconds. All 43. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Pasok na, pasok.
Gila! Patayin mo na natin.
Graduate.
Okay, Tulyao.
Graduate.
Tulyao, graduate.
Napakapait ang tao.
Remaining time, 7 seconds na lang ha. Sir. Seven seconds na natira, 7 seconds.
Last shot tayo.
Madam, labas mo agad ako.
Okay, start na po natin ang fourth quarter.
Lipat. Nalipat na ba kami? Lipat.
Angat tayo depensa, angat. Kulang. Angat. Kaya na. Dalawa. Sige. Technical yun? Technical na yun, no? Nag-agumura na rin.
Warning.
Hindi, may warning pa ba yun? Walang warning kanina eh.
Warning na po tayo sa page natin na huwag po tayo magsalita na hindi maganda.
Don't say bad words. Boss, kanina walang warning ah. Yung may ano ah. May warning ko pala?
Automatic yun. Automatic technical yun. Technical yun kasi wearing ano ka bawal naman yun eh. Earring eh.
Sa labas lang sa page.
Muna na, Bri! Muna na! Wow! Baba! Hey, tatlo! Ayun na, push! Angat na, Jen! Nice one!
Tayo na, talaksak.
Oh, ganun lang!
Lamang na.
Bin, baba agad! Peso mo na!
Hindi.
Cut! Taas kamay!
Ano pala siya yung...
Hey, check! Nice! Woo! Baba! Baba agad, baba! Jenad, baba! Tigol! Taas kamay!
Still foul po tayo. Highway. 6 minutes and 45 seconds.
Game! Kalay! Hindi ginagawa eh. Okay na! Open na! Baba, Jen! Set ulit! Bang!
Bilyaper. Naghahanap ng ate. Pinas sa loob. Pinas sa... Tinira ng 3. Pasok.
Manila, iwas na ng 3 seconds, ha?
Lete.
Remaining time plus...
Bilis pasa para naiiwan yung depensa nila. Ayun, ilalim. Dilo. Angat! Baba! Depensa! Napaganda pa! Nice.
Sumalpok.
Score.
51-50.
Kaya!
3 seconds. Mag-reserve na kayo pag magsasab.
Una na! Balik! Yan, angat! Head one!
54 seconds.
Magtayo sa...
51-50 in favor of high win.
Gawin na isang alas natin!
Hey, 4 minutes.
4 minutes, 54 seconds.
Kaya na yan, basta maganda yung laro na.
Pag hindi nyo kaya,
Yung mga sub natin, basta mag-reserve kayo dito sa ano, table.
Angat sa tres ha, yung sa tres. Dalawa kayo. Nice friend, nice friend. Okay, baba na, baba. Yung tres nila, yung tres.
Time to shoot!
Game, lapit. Uli! Hindi na namin sa bola.
Kuha na!
Gitna bola, gitna.
Last 4 minutes!
Kaya, angat. Angat na, patay.
Salamat. Kasama pa ako dyan.
Angat. Tatlo kayo dyan. Nice. Baba. Tapit.
3 minutes and 45 seconds.
Hawak.
Kaya bro, kaya? Kaya bro.
Edwin!
57-54 in favor of Highway. Banya, third team foul.
Take time.
3 minutes and 24 seconds.
Oo, depensa ha. Angat tayo.
Uy, depensa daw tayo!
Yan, ganyan.
Ayan na!
Yung gitna ha, yung gitna.
Shoot!
Abo lang dyan, Erna.
Baba na! Baba!
Dapat, please.
2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Ito, sa kabila.
Time to shoot.
Baba na. Tigot. Baba na, Jenner, doon. Pesa natin kulang. Baba.
2 minutes and 19 seconds.
Ayun na! Dalawa! Kabuli mo na ang bola! Oo, balik!
Last 2 minutes.
Oo, ayun na! Baba na, kapsat, para doon na pahinga. Sab.
Lapitan mo lang.
3 seconds! Okay lang.
Hindi na mo yung tutorial yan. So yan mo mawawala.
Wala yan! Oo. Bola!
Panelo, personal foul.
Set tayo! Penalty! Sure. Nice. Sige, okay lang. Wow, depensa. Angat, depensa, angat! Parap! Angat! Angat! Yun! Hawak lang! Jeb!
Wala nagbibigay kayo sa ilalim.
63-58 in favor of High Wind.
Oh, baba na!
Foul. Di pinol.
Boss, oras mo.
1 minute and 17.
Boy, grabe! Hawak lang! Kaya mo na, bababa lang eh. Ate na. Hawak! Lapit!
Last 58 seconds.
Hawak lang pre!
50 seconds.
Baba!
45 seconds. Last 39 seconds.
Naka-score yung kay ano, Ernas.
Ayun na! Ayun na! Walang bababa! Receive ng bola lahat! Hindi okay lang yan kasi hindi naman. Baba! Oy! Dalawa! Ayan! Huli! Tayo! Nice! Ulak! Boss!
Panelo graduate. Last 30 seconds.
30 seconds na lang! 30 seconds!
30 seconds.
Sayang 5,000 na gusto.
Si Payong na mo. Ay, pinalabas pa ulit.
Pinaasa.
Pinaasa.
Hindi lang nakapasok dito.
Surbol ah.
Oh.
Kaysa na lang, honesty. Angat. Kuha!
24 seconds.
Kuha! Balik! Score mo na! Nanonood si Jericho. Wala pa. Bakit? Hayap na. Honesty na lang, honesty! Pass! Oras!
10 seconds.
Nice one! Babot, yun!
Parang lugi na. Dapat hati yun.
Papakpak kayo, yung mga ipuwakpak na wala na gano'n yung tinitira.
Last 2 seconds. Nice game po mga player. Score natin ay
Susunod, hintayin nyo muna
69-63.